Today we are diving into the perfect budget smartphone from Google. Yes, it's the Google Pixel 7a. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. Let's jump right into it. Well, let's start with the new features. The Pixel 7a introduces wireless charging and a 90Hz display. Wireless charging is a convenient addition, though it's not the fastest at just 7.5 watts. It's perfect for trickle charging overnight, but don't expect lightning fast speeds. The 90Hz display is a game changer, but here is the kicker. It's turned off by default. You will need to go into the display settings and enable smooth display to unlock that buttery smooth 90Hz experience. It makes a significant difference in performance and overall user experience. Now, in terms of build quality, Google took a small step down from the Pixel 7. The Pixel 7a features a plastic back and is rated IP67 instead of IP68. However, in everyday use, you won't notice any issues. It is still a well-built phone without no creaking or bending. The 6.1-inch flat display on the Pixel 7a is bright and has a 90Hz refresh rate, but there is some noticeable color shifting and banding when viewed from extreme angles. However, for the price, it's more than adequate and should satisfy most users. Google offers a range of colors for the Pixel 7a, including a stunning sea blue, charcoal, snow, and an online exclusive red option. From hardware perspective, the Pixel 7a retains the classic Pixel look with metal wraparound visor, a pill cutout for cameras, and clicky buttons. Google has nailed the hardware in this mid-range device. And when it comes to software, Google doesn't hold back. The Pixel 7a inherits all the fantastic software features we love from the premium Pixels. Google Assistant, Voice to Text, Voice Recorder, Now Playing, Material You, and the promise of 3 years of software updates are all here. Now let's address two big question marks, battery and camera. With 4385 mAh battery and 18-watt charging, the battery life is decent, but don't expect it to blow you away. It's a full day of use and nothing more. The wireless charging can come in handy though. The Pixel 7a has a new 64 megapixel main camera that is capable of taking stunning photos and videos in any lighting conditions. The selfie camera is a 13 megapixel camera. The Pixel 7a has advanced features like cinematic pan, magic eraser, night sight, and astrophotography. The Pixel 7a records video in 4K resolution at 30 or 60 frames per second. Here are some lesser known features of the Google Pixel 7a. The Titan M2 security chip enhances device security. The quick gesture is convenient for interactive shortcuts. You can launch camera instantly with a double power button press. Enjoy unlimited automatic caption for media content. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 7a is a solid mid-range offering with some welcome additions like wireless charging and 90Hz display. While it may not revolutionize smartphone market, it's a dependable choice, especially for those who love the Pixel experience. That concludes our today's review on the Google Pixel 7a. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.